Hey guys, my name is Gaurav and today we are going to learn how to create a part in Solidworks. So first step is to go on a files menu, click on it, click on new. Now you have a three option over here, part, assembly and drawing. We are going to create a part. So there is two option. You can either click on OK or just double click it on a part. So this is the workspace on which you are going to design a part. First thing you need to see is on the right bottom corner there is a unit panel. So right now it's mmgs, which is millimeter gram second. You by clicking on it you can change it to different unit systems like meter kilogram second or inch pound second. There is another way to change that, which is go on options. Now go on document properties, units, and you can change it on here too. There is also one more option over here, which is decimal rounding, which is how precise you want your units. So you can change it over here too. Girls with their nails done.